Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to delve into how to effectively track your project progress in Trello using the Burnup chart power-up. Now, the first thing you need to do is add the Burnup chart power-up to your Trello board. So, open your Trello board, click on Show menu, then Power-ups, and type Burnup chart into the search bar. Once you find it, click Add. This step is critical because the Burnup chart allows you to visually track the progress of your project and helps you understand if you're on track or need to adjust your timeline or resources. Now that we've done that, let's configure the Burnup chart. Click Settings under the Burnup chart section in the Power-Up list. Here, you can customize your chart to suit your project needs. You can select which lists represent done tasks, set your project's start and end dates, and even define your target scope. This step ensures that your Burnup chart accurately reflects your project's scope and timeline, making it a reliable tool for tracking progress. The reason we do this is because it's essential to have a clear visual representation of your project's progress. The Burnup chart accomplishes this by showing two lines, one for the total amount of work and another for the work completed. This relationship helps us understand if we're keeping up with our plans or falling behind. Next up, let's use the chart. Simply click on the Burnup chart icon, and you'll see your project's progress represented in a clear, easy-to-understand chart. The x-axis shows the timeline, and the y-axis shows the amount of work. The rising line represents the total work added to the project, and the other line shows the work that's been completed. This can help you identify bottlenecks, adjust deadlines, or reallocate resources as necessary. Let me explain why this matters. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your project's progress, you're not just keeping track, but you're actively managing your project, ensuring it stays on course and meets its objectives. And finally, it's time to wrap up this tutorial. Now you know how to track your project progress in Trello using the Burnup chart power-up. So go ahead, add this powerful tool to your project management arsenal and keep your projects on track. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.